So hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the Salesforce dashboard. So Salesforce dashboard, this is how it's actually looks like. It will give the pictorial representation of the reports and whatever we have in our organization. Dashboard, it's the graphical representation of the data generated from a reports or multiple reports. It shows the data from reports as visual components. This component gives a snapshot or screenshot, or we can say it like a visual representation of key metrics and performance indicator of the organization. Now, for each dashboard component, there is a single underlying report. However, we can use the same report in multiple dashboard components on a single dashboard. Now, multiple dashboard components can also be shown together on a single dashboard page layout, which makes viewing the reports more interesting and interactive than viewing them in rows and columns, and it looks good. Now, as we have already discussed about the dashboard component so many times, so let us understand what they are and how many types of dashboard components are there in Salesforce. So there are basically five different types of dashboard components in Salesforce. The first one is the chat one. In chat, there are total number of six different kind of chats are there. So first one will be the horizontal bar chart. So whatever the data it will display, it will becomes means, in horizontal type. Next one is the vertical line chat, pie chat, donut chat, and funnel chat. So we use the chat because viewing the data in a pictorial format is more visually pleasing and interactive than viewing them in rows and columns. So next one is the GOG. Uh, it is the second one dashboard component. So we use this gauze when we have a single value that we want to show within a range of custom values. So next one is the metric one. Metric we use when we have one value to display. The third one is the table one. Table we use to show reports data in columns form. We can use colors and scales to help user to interpret the reports data that the table displays. So it will be more means specific. We can see it. So next one is the visual force, and it is the last dashboard component we are going to discuss about. So visual force we use it when we want to create custom components or show information not available in another component. So it's basically we can customize the dashboard which are not present in Salesforce from starting. So we can customize and we can make it as how we want or how the business wants, like that. So means what the main reason of the dashboard is that, like reports, dashboards are stored in folder which controls who has access to them. Like now, only if a user has access to the folder, they can view its dashboard. However, to view the dashboard, they need some access to the underlying reports as well. So to see a dashboard, the user also needs the access to the reports, then only they can see the dashboard. So now each dashboard has a running user. The security setting determines which data to be displayed on the dashboard. We can means do the changes in the security settings that which data we want to display on the dashboard. So we have the customization on that also. Now, if the running user is a specific user, all dashboard viewers see the data based on the security settings of the specified user, regardless of their own personal security. So next, we are going to discuss about the benefit of the dashboard. So first of all, the benefit is it saves the times and money. So for that means like dashboard, we need a separate team to make the reports or dashboard. But in Salesforce dashboard, it saves the times. So it or means we can customize it in Salesforce itself. So it as well as saves the time and money there. So visibility to data. So with the help of the dashboard, we can not only by going through the reports, we can also have the pictorial representation of the dashboard. So it will be more visible to the, like we can see it from the Salesforce itself. So there will be directly visibility by seeing the pictorial representation of that. So it's also flexible as we can change according to our need or business needs. So we already talked about the dashboard. So let's now get into the Salesforce and we'll see some how we are going to create some dashboard, and we'll some do some work on with that. So I'll show you now how to create a dashboard and how we are going to use the dashboard components, like the different types of five types of component I said sometimes before in the theory part. So here are the some basic means when you'll open the, or these are the all means samples leads will be there. So first we are going to create a report and we'll use the report to use in the dashboard. So these are all the samples details. So let me import some of the that I already created a CSV file. So we'll import some of the leads, and after that we'll continue on that. So we'll get more clarification with that. So make sure this all the details should be mapped. So I have already mapped it. I'm not going to cover in this part. So already mapped it and started importing, and you can see like this all the data is imported. So I'll click OK on it. Let's go back to the sales console, and in that sales console I'll see the leads, and you can see like in my all open leads, that one I means imported, all will be started populating. See, this all started populating this. So I will go to the reports tab now. In reports, in all reports, this is the sample one. It's already present there, but we are going to create a report here. And in reports, uh, we are going to use the lead object. In here we are going to use the lead and start report. After clicking on the start report, you can see like there are different kind of column what you want. You can divide it. If you want to use a filter, you can use the filter here also, no problem with that. You can you means use the columns or you group by. For now we don't need anything like title or means street rating lead owner, so I'm removing it. After that I'll refresh it, and we'll do a add group by lead status. I'm going to use it, so I'll done it. You can see like everything will show here, but for now it will show a limited number of records. So uh, it's not everything will show here, so I'm going to save it for now before going to the dashboard part. And we can give the name as newly demo for now, and keep it like private for now. I'm giving, you can select public or whatever, it's up to you. And you can see like all the still it's populated here. So we'll go to the dashboard here, and you can see like this one is nothing. So in the all dashboard, I'm going to create a new dashboard here. I'll give like new demo dashboard here and keep it the folder like that. For now I'm keeping it like this. You can keep it public whatever you want like that. And I'm going to show the components we discussed at starting. uh, I'm going to use this one for now, this report I created just now before. And we already discussed this charts, different kind of four, sorry, five, we discussed sometimes before. Chart, this one is horizontal bar chart, vertical, stacked horizontal. So different kind of, you can, however it's up to you, you want to use it. You can change the dark color if you want it. You can change dark, light, If you want to use some footer, you can give some here. How many you want to group it, hundreds, it's up to you. And let me add this for now. I'm adding it. See, this will look, this is the chart we got for now. This one is the horizontal one. So another, I'm going to add it. Let me add the component here. I'm going to use a vertical bar chart. Let me add it here. See, you can here, we can see like this. Let me add, we'll add some more, so that will it like that. You can add the line chart I'm adding. You can see like the line chart is added here. If you want to drag it up, you can drag it like this. See, I came it, we'll add one, two, three more to get a clarifying. If you want to add a metric chart, it will give the total number up, like I said. No, if you want a only single value data, so you can use this metric one here. So metric will be like total number of leaders. Means we are using this lead status, so total number will be 18. So it will show the 8 20 means one number only, that is the lead status only, single value only it will show. We are going to check another one. We are going to gauge one. So gauge will be the same, but it will be looking different. See, this is how it will look. I will add here, yeah. And anything left, we are going to add here. uh, this is the I mean, sorry, donor chart will be like there also. This is table one. uh, yep. So for however you want to add it, you can add it. Let me add one dark one, so that we'll get the data like that. So I'm adding it for now like this. So see, this is how we can customize the dashboard according to our needs or business need. However, it will be comfortable for you, we can add it. So after this, can save this file, and this our dashboard is ready. And now, so whenever we want something, we can see from this dashboard. And if you click on the new dashboard, we can see all the data we have, means all the reports we have added, we can see it from here like this. So this is all about dashboard.
Thank you.